test number 1. It seems I never have enough time to finish this darn thing, but everything is set. I've changed the oil, changed the oil filter, changed the elbow gaskets, which you should do anyway, every 2 to 3 years anyways, from what the guy said. And I did change also the distributor, you can't see, yeah, right there, distributor gasket. It was torn, so I figured since I had the gasket, I just replace it. And just a note, it's very important you put that distributor back in the same place. I last year did a complete overhaul on the twin brother engine that I put in that boat there, my boat. And after taking the whole engine apart, putting new gaskets on the oil pan heads and oil valve covers, and also did the rear main seals on that engine that I have in there, which is identical to this one here. I accidentally put the distributor cap and distributor backwards, and no matter what I did, darn thing wouldn't even turn. It wasn't until 3 weeks later, after checking everything, seeing that the electricity was getting right to the spark plug, that I realized my mistake. But this one, no such mistake. Well, I hope. But everything should be good. I'm gonna prime it with a little bit of starting fluid, because it hasn't ran since last year, and sometimes the fuel can get old in there, and who knows, might not want to start right away. But we'll see, and I'll put a little bit in there. If anything, I'll keep spraying in there until the good fuel gets into the carburetors. And let's turn on the water. And oh, it'll work if I turn the water on. Okay, water's on. Okay, spray it in. Okay. Ah, darn it. Not a complete tight seal, because I only have a few minutes to run this anyway, but I'll put this down. Push it back in. Alright. Back to getting this thing started. Spray a little bit in there. And alrighty. Ready to go. And cross the fingers, and see, I got the fuel suction through there, which is how I did it last year with the other engine when I got it going. And let's get it going. Yeah! Whoa. Alright, water's getting completely through. Cool the engine down. Feels good when things all go the way they should. Alrighty. was finding someone who's gonna need this as much as I needed an engine. This engine is actually a little bit probably too strong for my boat. Probably get a 6, even a 4 to run it, but it's good when I want to get to fishing area quick and get back, because my limited amount of time. Heck, I only have a few more minutes left here before I have to go to work again. So it's good that I got this running so I can show everyone that might be interested in it. And but I'm gonna put this on YouTube maybe. That's what I was thinking, so I can show people. Aside from that, they can see this running. It's a 350 Mariner engine, which I didn't even know about that engine until I actually bought them. I guess it's a different company. Regular V8, modified for marine use is what they've done. And these are the coolers, heat exchangers. It also actually has an oil cooler right here. And it actually has 2 pressed together. One in the front, one in the back. The back is not used. My engine actually has a back ones set up to cool. I guess this one has the longer one, the longer portion cooling it. Well, I gotta go now. As I said, I have to go to work again, so I'll post this hopefully today. And I know a little bit about putting these things together. So if any questions, I guess I wouldn't mind answering. But it's a really nice engine. And that's it. Goodbye.